So today we are going to make a simple art for you that you can use to make your child busy. Let's start with this cute little wallet. Get one whole paper, fold it in lengthwise and crosswise. Afterwards, fold the lower part and the upper part, then fold it in the middle and into half. Cut the small triangle shape at the very end.
Make a small cut and the corner, then open the whole paper. As you can see, we have a diamond hole at the end. Fold the corner but put a piece, fold it into half. Draw what you want and there you go, your cute wallet. This time, let's make a heart trees. Cut a small rectangle paper, as many as you can, with different colors. Put the glue in the middle and then fold the two corners to make a shape of a heart. In another paper, cut across in angles and a tree shape. Then paste it in the whole paper to make a frame. Start pasting your heart shape accordingly. Put some cloud and sun. Draw some tree marks to add some strokes and we're done! This time, we are going to make a surprise card. Cut a small paper into square shape. Fold it side by side until you cut the middle, and then fold the corner until you make a shape of a flower. Get a green colored paper and cut it into rectangular shape to make it look like the stem of the flower. Once you have your flower ready, place the stem and repeat it until you have enough flowers that you want to use. Get a piece of paper, fold it, then cut the corner. Fold it and then cut the corner like a rectangle shape. Paste the design and inside and start pasting your flower until it's full. And then get a piece of paper, paste it, and there you have it. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye!